Alright, let's check out what's going on with Bonfida. So we basically predicted all the way back here on the 12th of February that if we did lose this $2.50 that we were going to be falling like a rock. Now, just to be completely honest with you, my target at this point was that we were going to come down to 177, which is somewhere around about here. I did update my prediction yesterday because personally, I made this opinion when we were here, and at that point it would have made sense to retest the bottom. But, obviously, we're down here now, so it's not, we're not going to go backwards on the chart and test it like that. So, if we were to come and test the bottom of the trend line, it would be somewhere around about here at 119, which I know you don't want to hear is almost a 50% drop from where we are now. My target from yesterday was this specific level down here, which is the 188 level. You can see that we have this target because of the 786 Fibonacci, and this is the 786 from this low to this high up here. So what we predicted basically since well, we predicted this round about 230, but we were predicting that we were going to dump at 250. So far you can see that we've had a 13% dump. I am predicting a 24% dump in total, which is approximately another 12% from where we are now. So there's really nothing to see. I mean, I don't want to drag this video out for too long, simply because, we are above the 786 in the micro term, and we are above this huge descending resistance that, I don't necessarily want to say it's been flipped to support. So I'm going to keep it red actually, because, we've just exploded out of here. We didn't really back test it, in my opinion. I mean, we had a daily here, came back, touched it momentarily, and then exploded up. So in my opinion, I would like to see another test of this trend line, but I do appreciate that is a very steep drop, and that might not happen if Bitcoin does turn around at some point, today or tomorrow, or at some point in this week. But I do think that we're going to be coming down to 188. So I know a lot of you have been saying, you're holding this coin and you kind of bought it a little bit too high, so I do feel for you. So, I don't like making bearish technical analysis. I would obviously get way more views if I pulled stupid faces and said, we're going to $10 by tomorrow. But, this isn't what my channel's about. My channel's about keeping it real, giving you the technical analysis that I see in the market, even if it's not what you want to hear. So, like I said, we are coming down to 190 in my opinion. Simply, I've explained why I think so, based on the trajectory that we're in, and based on the fact that we have broken below the 618 fib. But to back it up with the volume, you can see that volume is downtrending very much, or well, to be fair, there was never really much volume for this coin. If anything, you might be able to argue that there's on average a tiny bit more volume than was back here, but obviously we had huge volume spikes over here, here and here, and we're just not seeing any volume coming in for this coin. If we are seeing volume, it's flat green candles or red candles. The RSI is turning down right now, so not really looking too good. So yeah, that's all I've really got for Bonfida. I don't need to drag this video out for too long and look at all of the different time frames. The daily says it all. So yeah, one more time, I think we're coming down to 190. So yeah, that's all I'm seeing for Bonfida right now. Once again, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Cowboy out.